such an exciting project to work on, and such a lovely one to work on, where we all had a lot of fun, and so it kind of felt like, are we actually doing anything? This doesn't feel like work. So now to be here, it's like, this feels great. Olivia and Benedict are amazing in the film. This is so nice to Jeffrey is Ivy's first member of staff at her restaurant. We've Got Crabs. And he's very ambitious. He loves money. He loves men, and he's just like a dear friend of Ivy and supporting her and her vision for her business and men and money. Tony's writing, really, I mean, it was, I just loved how real it was. I loved the dark comedy, very British, towing that line between love and hate. I thought was such an interesting lens to view a relationship from, because it's very realistic. And yeah, it seems to just like paint really realistic colours, but very vibrant colours. Hilarious. And then also the cast, I was like, this is a no-brainer. And then the first Zoom that we did was when we did the read-through, and just hearing it come to life was just so. I had to be a part of it. It's tough, really tricky characters. Olivia, they, like, not to be cliche, but they really were mother and father of the set. Welcomed everyone in so warmly, and when that energy is coming from the top down, it really like spreads around the whole set. Like, it was a very warm, welcoming set. On our first day, Olivia like ordered a bunch of scones, and then we all had scones together, and they were just a delight to work with, absolute delight. I would say it's a toss-up between Kate McKinnon and Zoe Chao. They were incredible. The dinner scene, which will soon become iconic, there was like a take where the legendary Kate like gets to just riff for like 10 minutes, and every second was pure gold. It was amazing to watch. It was like a masterclass in improvisation. Oh my god, I think it's going to be so great to watch with your other half. Everyone can relate to like
from one to another,
really not liking the person that they really love and care about, and like, you know, the two sides of that particular coin. I think people will be able to relate, be able to pick out so much stuff in Ivy and Theo's relationship, because fundamentally they really love each other, as much as they're trying to kill each other.
If you do an American accent,
they do really love each other,
you think you're
and I think we can all relate.
Which I